When you know the words to this song, sing along.
Sing along.
Oh no, honey, did you just get a sing along? They'll give you a lyric and you have to continue singing the lyric they'll give you, or else. And I'm bad.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still want to party.
Honey, you got it. You're safe. Oh no.
Mommy, what's wrong?
I just got to sing along. I'm super shy. I don't know.
Mommy, you have to sing along.
I'm super shy.
Mommy, please.
Mommy!
I love you, Grandma. I'll see you after school.
Sing along. Oh no, Grandma, did you just get a sing along? You have to sing along or else. It's a cruel summer with you. You got it, Grandma. Of course, I'm a Swiftie. When you know the words to the song. When you know the words to the song. Sing along. Sing along. You can't love anyone, because that would mean you had a heart. You're safe. I knew you would get it, sweetheart. Grandma, I'm heading to school now. Stay safe. You're all I have left after Mom died. I can't lose you too. Don't worry, sweetheart. I'm not going anywhere. Class, turn to chapter 2 in your books. Sing along. Oh no, I just gotta sing along. Got a white t-shirt? It's got a white boy on my roster! I guess math class is going to be canceled today. Bro. That joke you made in math class was extremely insensitive, Derek. Go cry about it, snowflake. Grandma, is everything okay? Sweetheart, I just gotta sing along. Hurry, Grandma, read the lyric to me now! Everyone, here are your soulmate heart lockets. Only your soulmate will have the key to your heart, and only you will have the key to their heart. Jake is going to be your soulmate for sure. You guys are made for each other. You guys really think so? Hey, Brianna, do you think I could see if we're soulmates? Ew, nerdy Nathan? Imagine your soulmate is nerdy Nathan? No, Nathan, there's no way you're my soulmate. You're a nerd. That was a little harsh. Here's your test back, Brianna. No way, you got 100%. You're smart. No. Brianna, are you a nerd now? You should quit cheerleading and join the chess club with nerdy Nathan. Thanks a lot, Nathan. Jake, it's time to see if we have the key to each other's hearts. I really hope you're my soulmate. You're the hottest girl in the school. And what else? That's it, you're hot. Nothing else matters, babe. I guess. Does it fit?
Deme?
Good morning. It's time to take your medicine.
Bombastic side eye.
No, Miss Applewood. There'll be no side-eyeing today. Now take your medicine.
You really thought you ate that?
No, I don't. But you need to eat your medicine.
No, I don't want my medication. I want girl dinner.
After you take your medicine.
Girl dinner.
No, please don't start singing again.
Girl dinner. Girl dinner.
All right, unplug your life support. Miss Applewood, you soiled yourself. Come on, let's go and get you cleaned up.
No, I'm in my pooping my pants era.
What happened to your clean girl era? Let's bring that back.
Clean girl aesthetic.
Exactly. Now let's go get washed up.
You're giving me the ick.
You're giving me the ick because you smell so bad. Where'd you get that? What are you eating?
My husband. Today we will be making our last girl dinner.
Miss Applewood, are you on your phone again? Your grandchildren don't want you to have too much screen time.
Mind your business, Susan! What is our dessert? Moldy muffins. Yes, that's my favorite food. I need my glasses. Cake? No. Too sweet. Need some mold on it. Pizza? No. Too cheese. Too much cheese! No! Yes, toenail clippings. What's my drink? Wash it all down with the 7-Up. Good. Girl dinner. Hummus? Delectable. Red olives, alright. No, I'm not taking my vitamins.
Miss Applewood, you need to take your vitamins.
No, I told you I'm not taking my vitamins, Susan.
See, this is why I told you to stop yelling so much.
I don't yell. Anyways, scrumdiddlyumptious.
Miss Applewood, your grandchildren are here to see you.
Tell them to go home, I'm busy.
You're not busy.
I'm trying to see what kind of dog I am. Ah! Today I will be seeing who has a crush on me. 6'5". I would climb that like a tree.
Miss Applewood, what did you just say?
No one's talking to you, Susan. Bartender, I don't know because I'm a material girl. He doesn't make that much money. Cancer. Oh, he's a 10 out of 10 in looks.
No one would ever have a crush on you, Miss Applewood, because you're not a very nice lady.
That's not true, Susan. I have a husband.
Brianna, I like you. Ew, Timmy! Ugh! Why did I just get money? Mommy, today at school, when Timmy said he liked me, I got money.
Honey, that's because every time someone has a crush on you, you get money.
So you're saying I could be rich?
Hey girl, do you want to go to the mall after school?
I can't. I'm broke.
How are you broke? Just go get boys to like you.
I don't know how to get boys to like me.
It's easy. Just do the bend and snap method.
Bend and snap method?
Drop something on the floor and go to pick it up.
Hey, boys.
Don't talk to us.
Oops.
Whoa!
I got it.
Bro, I caught that on video.
That bend and snap method of yours really works. I'm making bank.
It's because of this. Look, the video the boys took of you went viral.
No way!
Uh-oh, Brianna? Uh-oh, Brianna? There's a new video. You might want to see this.
Oops. Whoa, I got it.
He said it's giving boys the ick. When someone crushes on you, you get money. But if you give them the ick, you lose it.
But it's not fair. I didn't fart, and I don't really look like that. No, I've almost lost all of my crushes. Does it say who posted that video?
It was Jake.
Jake!
Hey, Farty.
Chad, where's Jake?
I'm not telling you. Look, it's Farty Pin.
Jake! Jake, take the video down. It's making me lose all my money and my crushes.
I'm not taking the video down because I don't want you to have any crushes.
Why not?
Because I'm in love with you.
Huh? Huh?
Oh my. Someone made another edit of you.
Huh?
Oh my, someone made another edit of you. It's Farty Pin.
Jake!
What the? Who even took that video?
I took it. I saw you standing there so lovely, and I just couldn't help myself.
Timmy, you still have a crush on me?
Brianna, marry me, please. Just give me a chance. Come on, let's get out of here. Hey, are you alright? They were a little crazy.
Yeah, I'm fine. Maybe having so many crushes isn't that great.
Don't worry. I'll protect you. Brianna, did you see that new edit of you? You must have lots of new crushes now.
Yeah, I did. I have enough money to go with you to the mall after school now.
Hey, Brianna, I really enjoyed spending time with you today. I really like you. Do you think maybe we could go on a date sometime?
Jake, I've had a crush on you for years. But when you tried to destroy my image, that gave me the ick.
Mr. Strawberry! I love...
Stop. Don't say I love you. Honey, it's time you know. When you say I love you to someone who doesn't love you back, you'll lose all your memory. That's why I only say I love you to Daddy and my children because they're the ones I know that love me back.
Good morning, Mom.
Who are you? Where am I? What am I doing here? What is this place?
Mom, do you remember anything?
I'm your mom?
You lost your memory. Dad, something's going on with Mom. She doesn't remember anything. Did she say I love you to anyone?
Yeah, to me. Last night. I'm sorry, but I lost feelings for your mother.
So it's your fault. You don't love Mom anymore and she lost her memory?
It's not what I intended to happen. Truthfully, I've met another woman. But don't worry, I love you. You're my daughter. Where am I? Who are you? Who am I?
Dad?
I love you. You're my daughter. Where am I? Who are you? Who am I?
Dad? Dad, you lost your memory? That means I don't love...
Open up. We're the memory police.
The memory police are here?
Who's that?
Mom, please, you have to remember something. The memory police are here.
I'm your mom?
Yes, that's all you have to say.
Open up.
The door's open. Come in.
Are all memories intact here?
Of course. Who are you?
I'm your mom?
See?
What is this place? I don't know where I am. We've got a memory loss. Take him away.
Goodbye, Dad. Mom, I have to go to school now. Just stay safe and don't do anything until I come home. I love... No, I can't say it. Of course you wouldn't love me. I'm a stranger to you.
I love you.
How do you know that word?
Babe, there you are. I think it's time we say the L word.
No, I don't want to say it. I've already lost someone because of that word.
Don't worry. You don't have to say it. I'll say it.
No, don't say it! I
love you. Who are you? Where am I? I'm scared. We've got a memory loss. Take him away.
It's Mom. Mom? She has no memory left. How would she know how to use a phone?
Did you just say your mom has no memory? How is she not taken away yet?
No, she has her memory. I was just joking. Mom, I came running back from school. Is everything okay? Are you okay?
I'm your mom?
I think you called by mistake.
Memory police, open up.
Come in.
We're taking your mother.
No, you can't. She's all I have. Take me with her.
Your memories are intact.
I love you.
Are you still working for that billionaire?
Yes, Mom, I'm still his house cleaner. And you know what? I've been working for him for 2 years, and he still hasn't tipped me a cent.
Honey, you have a family to support. You need to demand a raise.
You're right. Mr. Blake?
Oh, hi, Jenny. The bathroom needs cleaning ASAP.
Actually, sir,
Please, just call me Jason.
Jason, I wanted to speak to you about a raise.
A raise? Jenny, I don't give raises.
With all due respect, I have been working here for 2 years, and I do very good work.
Yes, you do.
Okay, well, I'm just asking for a little bit extra pay because financially
I'm sorry, I don't remember asking for your sob story. Either clean the bathroom or get out!
No, not until you give me that raise.
I'll do you one better. You're fired.
Jenny, the news. Mr. Blake slipped on the bathroom floor. He has amnesia. Do you know what this means?
Not really.
You can manipulate him.
You want me to pretend to be a billionaire's girlfriend?
There's already rumors you two have been hooking up anyways.
What?
Never mind. I'm just saying that it would be believable.
Look, I don't know.
Well, I do know. He took advantage of you because you're so sweet. You don't deserve this. You don't have enough money, and he needs payback.
I can't do this.
Tell them what we rehearsed. Can I help you?
Hi, yes, I am here to see my boyfriend, Mr. Blake. I mean, Jason. I call him Jason.
Okay, well, I'm sorry to inform you he has amnesia.
Oh no, well, does that mean he's gonna, not know who I am?
We'll see. Follow me.
You! I feel like I know you.
Oh, babe, your poor head. It's me, your girlfriend.
Girlfriend?
Yeah, it's okay if you don't remember my face, baby.
I remember your face, but I don't remember liking it. Ow!
I'm glad to see he hasn't forgotten his sense of humor. You get to come home tomorrow.
Where is my home?
I will show you, and the kids will be so excited.
Kids!
Now, remember, sweetheart, when you see Mommy come in with Mr. Blake, you're gonna call him
Daddy, but he's just my pretend daddy, but we won't tell him that because it's a surprise.
Welcome home, honey.
This dump is my house?
Babe, it's just a little messy, that's all.
There's toys everywhere. And what is that smell?
Oh, that would be the dirty diapers. Yeah, you know what? Would you mind just taking out this trash?
I really don't remember having any.
Daddy!
Hi, kid.
My name's Kitty, silly, and that's Daisy.
I'm assuming your mom picked the names.
Mommy said that was my other daddy that left us. I mean, just kidding.
You know, kids, they just say the darnest things. Anyways, babe, where's your wallet?
Girl, this is crazy.
I know, and he gave his doctor's permission to give me all his information. I also got this.
His credit card. You can pay off your bills and give him a taste of his own medicine.
He's about to learn what hard work really is. Good morning. How did you sleep?
Not the best. Remind me again why I have to sleep on the couch?
I told you it's because you have a horrible snoring problem. Ugh, it keeps me up all night. Anyways, you should really get ready for work.
What's my job?
You are a garbage man.
I am?
Yes, you are. Now go get ready for work, and I'm gonna go make breakfast, okay?
Honey, I'm home.
Daddy, are those toys?
They sure are. I got your favorite animal.
A tiger. Mommy, he remembered.
And for your sister, a bunny. And for your mother, flowers.
Babe, these are my favorite. How did you know?
A memory came to me of you picking some for me.
Mr. Blake, I picked these for you. They're my favorites.
Everything's still pretty fuzzy.
Peekaboo.
She has your smile. I have a question.
Yes?
If we had 2 kids together and we're in love, then why aren't we married?
Well, you just haven't asked me yet.
Why aren't we married?
Well, you just haven't asked me yet.
Well, I think now I want to.
He wants to marry you? Jenny, this is amazing. Why don't you look happy?
Because I am living in a fantasy. I used his money to get me out of debt. I have to tell him the truth. Besides, the doctor said his MRI checked out fine, so it's only a matter of time before he...
Remembers everything?
Honey, you're supposed to be at work.
Cut the crap, Jenny. My memory is back. I don't ever want to see you again.
Jason,
You're lucky I'm not pressing charges.
I'm sorry. I should have never...
Mommy, where's Daddy?
He wasn't your real dad. Pretend time is over.
No, he was real. He told me that he loved me.
He told me that too, but it wasn't true.
Actually, it was.
Daddy!
Jason?
I knew you'd come back. Where's Daddy?
He wasn't your real dad. Pretend time is over.
No, he was real. He told me that he loved me.
He told me that too, but it wasn't true.
Actually, it was.
Daddy!
Jason?
I knew you'd come back.
Jenny, these past few weeks with you and your kids made me understand there's more to life than just money. It turns out the person who brought me the most joy was right in front of me all along. I just didn't realize it. When I said I wanted to marry you, I meant it. I bought this for you last night.
He wants to marry you, Mommy. Now we can be a real